Peaks power. Hello YouTube. Let's play Late Stops. This is my first video, guys. I'm a Filipino. Yes, maglaro po tayo ng Late Stops by Gran Turismo. So, horror game siya. So, let's find out. Okay, this is the game, guys.
Bruh.
Uwi ka na kasi. Kung saan ka pa naggagala, tol. Grabe ka, man. Alright, finally, a gas station. Gas station ba? Mukhang convenience store yan. So, medyo lagi yung game, guys, ha? Sorry. Low-end device, eh. Ano ba to? Ito ba? Okay, 1. 5 daw, di ba? 5. Ito. Soft drinks. Ito ba? Si. Dalawa pa. Ito pala. Isa na lang. Saan na isa? Ayun ba? Ito nga. Talk to the cashier. Okay. Tony. The name's Tony. How can I help? Yeah, just this for you to ring up. You have any gas cans anywhere? Sure thing. 1 gas can. Get a car started or just stopping up? Okay, cool. See you around. Oh, anong nangyari? Damn it! The lights are on again. You think you can help me out? No.
Nope.
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 No, thank you. What? Sure, you want to help
Easy
me
enough.
on this one? Yeah, that would be great. I didn't want the people thinking we close already. Okay, I'll be right back. Sino ba yung nagsira? Oo, tayo. Ano gagawin natin, guys? Saan ba natin yung kuryente? Andito ba? Dito nga ata. Ay, ito. Peaks power. Find your car. Objective, find my car. Bakit? Asan ba? Saan ang aking kotse? Ito. Ito ba yan? Uy, inayos ko na. Fill with the gas and go. Yeah, boy. Yeah. The circle. Guys, freaking luminatic. Damn it. Yes, just got my ass. What now? Oy, may cups daw. Ano meron? Great, just what I need. Middle of an hour. In the middle of the night. I wasn't even at that bus, man. What I do this time? Ano gagawin ko, Chip? Chip. Officer, license and receipt, please. Ay, wala ako nun, Kap. Sorry. Was I speeding back? Sorry. You were. That's it. I gotta leave. Tapos iwan mo ako. It slows. Ano naman yan? Have a safe night, sir. Thanks. Tapos iiwan mo ako dito. Galing ka. Ano? Uwasan na ako. 1 mile, 1 down man. Sir, speed, stop. Yeah. Uy, lag naman. Sobrang lag. Talk to the waitress. Take out the trash. Where? Uy, di kanina. Ito yung streamer yun. Limutan yung pangalan niya eh. Yan ba? Saan yung trash? Ito ba? Package trash. O, ano gawin ko? Tapong ko sa labas. Customer ako ah, ba't ako? Punto. Dito ba? Layo naman ang tapunan nyo. Alright, Rush. Taking finally out. As well, we can something. Gross. Okay, next priority. It's really need to find the bathroom. Like right now. Uy! Puta. The hell? Yes, the guy who warned me. Yeah. Told you to be careful. Then, why I'm here? Oh, ang gagawin ko dito. Find a way out. Okay. Find a way out. Talk to stranger. Buhay ka pa ba? Wait lang ah. Baka may mga objective dito na ma-miss natin. Talk to stranger. Oh. Hey, you still with me? Yeah. Not for long, man. He hit me something deep. I can feel my legs. Don't say that. Just stay awake. Why weren't born screwed? You've been holding onto that this whole time? You're... Ba't pa kasi kayo hindi dito, guys? Okay, let's go. E to shoot daw. Kung patay ka ngayon, ano ka ngayon? Ah, I'm lucky to be alive today.